soil? High carbon, low carbon, high nitrogen, low nitrogen. What is the healthy soil? What does it need to have?
Great question. Yeah, these are higher is better tests for these two. So higher permanganate oxidizable carbon is a great thing. That's really good. That means there's more nutrients available for your plants. That means that your soil might be more stable, that it has better water holding capacity. Typically, higher carbon is correlated with those things.
Right. So the plan is you want your soils to have more carbon. All right. Okay.
Yep. This is good.
So once we are done here, where do we go next?
Next, we go to a test called soil respiration. And this is a way to look at the biological activity of the soil. This is a common method because it's so hard to culture microbes. We can only culture less than 1%. We have to use these indirect methods. And so this instrument can measure the CO2 that comes off of the soil. And that's an indirect measure of the amount of microbial biomass and the organic matter that they have to chew on in there. So this is also higher is better. So we put a little soil sample inside there, and then we, this is called the CO2 burst method. We re-wet the soil, and then for 24 hours, we measure the CO2 that's required.
All right. So what are you trying to see here?
Here we're trying to see the microbial activity. So how active is that soil?
You want to see more CO2 come out?
You do.
Okay, that will mean there's activity in your soil.
Yep.
All right. And there are different jars. So if this is checking CO2, what is this checking?
These are all set up for CO2 right now. They're just different soils.
Some samples from different farmers?
Yep.
Okay, and you'll keep it here for how long?
24 hours.
And then after that, are you done?
After that, we're
You're able to give farmer feedback from what you have seen here.
We are an a la carte service, so it's kind of like giving people an opportunity to pick which tests make the most sense for their management changes. We're working on putting a package together where you would get all of those tests, and then working with our extension side, to see how our soils respond to these tests, right, and then inform.
So there's a farmer who's watching you right now, and they're used to doing the usual, nutrient test before planting, okay?
Yes,
Please talk to them why they really need to also consider this other test.
Sure, yeah, that's a great question. Soil health testing can still be a little bit